Hello guys, how are you today? Today our lesson is going to be about the heart. Before we start our lesson today, I want you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos to come. And if you have any question, please comment. Okay, can you look at this? As we know that the circulatory system is divided into the heart, blood vessels, and blood. So our lesson today is about the heart. Please look at this nice picture here or diagram. It's of the heart. Okay, the heart is a muscular hollow organ that is surrounded by a membrane called pericardium. The pericardium is used to protect the heart and facilitates its action. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called atria and the lower are called ventricle. Okay, these are the 2 upper chambers and these are the lower chambers. These are the atria and these are the ventricles. Okay, this is the left side and this is the right side. So the right and the left side are separated by septum. Can you see this? This muscular is called septum. In order not to mix the oxygenated blood with the deoxygenated blood. Okay, there are 2 valves between the atria and the ventricle. Can you see? These are the valves. Okay, can you see here? These are the valves between the atria here and the ventricle. This is the atria and this is the ventricle. Okay, and we know that the atria, the walls of the atrium are very thin here. Okay, while the ventricles have thick walls. Okay, these valves, the function of these 2 valves is to control the amount of blood flowing from the atrium into the ventricle, okay, and prevents the return back of blood. Okay, on the right side, these valves, we call them tricuspid. On the right side, these valves are called tricuspid valve, while on the left side they are called bicuspid valves. Okay, these valves prevent the returning back of blood. Here we have also in another diagram, let's see, it looks another clear diagram. Let's go back. Okay, again. Okay, here this is a very nice diagram. Here we have, this is the aorta and this is the vena cava. Of course, the aorta carries the oxygenated blood and the vena cava carries deoxygenated blood, and the oxygenated blood here it's found in the aorta, and the arteries, normally arteries carry oxygenated blood, while except for the pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood, and also the veins carry deoxygenated blood, except the pulmonary vein carry oxygenated blood. This is a very important information you have to know. Normally it comes in exams. Okay, here you have here the semilunar valves. These are the semilunar valves, these 2 valves here. Okay, they are a connection, its location at the connection of the heart with both the aorta. Okay, this is the aorta and this is the pulmonary artery. This is the pulmonary artery here. Okay, so these are called the semilunar valves. Okay, and we said that these are the tricuspid valves. Can you see? And these are the bicuspid valves. Okay, allowing the blood to flow in one direction and preventing the return back of blood. Okay, can you see the direction? Okay. And these are the semilunar valves. Okay, and they connect the aorta and the pulmonary artery with the septum. Okay, and let's go to another next page. Here we have this is a very nice diagram. As we know that the heart pumps, its function is to pump the blood, okay, to all parts of the body. Okay, so and the heart pumps the blood and it has rhythmic beats that work spontaneously. They originate from the cardiac tissue itself. Okay, and because it has been proven that the heart continues beating regularly even after it has been disconnected from the body and the cardiac nerves. So here we have this is a very common question. What is the source of regular rhythm of the heartbeat? So the rhythmic beat is caused due to the presence of two muscular nodes. These are very important. These two nodes, sinoatrial node, and this is atrioventricular node. Let's know now what is a sinoatrial node. It is a specialized bundle of thin cardiac muscular fibers found in the atrial wall near the connection between the right atrium and the large veins. It's considered to be as the pacemaker of the heart, as it beats at a regular rate of 70 beats per minute, and it's connected to two nerves. Let's know here the atrioventricular node. It's located between at the junction between the atria and the ventricle. Okay, so it's the junction between the atria and the ventricle. This is the atria and this is the ventricle. Okay, let's know how does the heart beat, the mechanism of heartbeat. Let's see now. The sinoatrial node, what does it do? It sends impulses over the two atria. Can you see? These are the two atria. So it starts sending impulses to the two atria. Why is that? To stimulate the atria to contract. To stimulate the atria to contract. This is the first step. The second step, these impulses, electrical impulses, reach the atrioventricular node. Okay, can you see? The impulse from the SA node goes to the AV node, okay, here. And the impulse will spread rapidly through the special fibers, called His fibers, from the interventricular septum, here, okay? To the wall of both ventricles, goes to the walls of both ventricles. In order to what? In order to stimulate the ventricles to contract. Okay, so this will allow the contraction of ventricles to pump the blood. Okay, so this is the mechanism of heartbeat. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please write them down and ring the bell for more videos to come. Have a nice time. Thank you for listening.